Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tapo RV30 Plus Robot Vacuum, a smart and feature-packed cleaning machine. The Tapo RV30 Plus Robot Vacuum may look like just another robot vacuum, but it comes with some cool features that set it apart from the rest. One of its big appeals is the self-emptying feature, which means all the dust and debris collected go into a sizable 4-liter bin in the docking station. This saves you the hassle of frequent emptying. With a sleek design in white and black accents, the Tapo RV30 Plus looks good and will blend well in any home. It offers a solid feature set, including 4,200 pascals hyper suction, ensuring it's up for any cleaning challenge. The docking station not only serves as a charging base but also houses the collection bin for the vacuumed dirt. You'll get a generous 4 liters of capacity, meaning you won't need to empty it often. In fact, it can last up to 70 days before requiring attention. The Tapo RV30 Plus uses litter and gyroscopic navigation for precise movement around your home. The built-in app allows you to manage the vacuum and its functions easily. Plus, it supports voice control, so you can interact with it through smart speakers, making the cleaning process even more convenient. What sets this robot vacuum apart is its mopping capability, which is included in the package. Although I couldn't test it on my floors, it's a fantastic feature for those with tiled hard floors. The Tapo RV30 Plus is user-friendly, and the app makes it a breeze to map out cleaning routes. With 4 different suction modes, you can customize the cleaning experience to your needs. It handles everyday dust on hard floors and can also handle some carpet cleaning. The HEPA filter ensures cleaner air, and the easily removable main brush makes maintenance simple. The mopping function, using the 300 ml water tank, is effective for tiled areas, providing a decent makeover. Though the footprint isn't huge, you'll want to find a spot where it won't get in your way if you decide to keep it out all the time. Apart from that, the Tapo RV30 Plus Robot Vacuum ticks all the right boxes with its ease of setup, efficient cleaning, and added mopping feature. While there are slightly cheaper options available, if you need a robot vacuum that can also handle mopping duties, the Tapo RV30 Plus is a reliable and versatile choice. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on various products. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, keep your home clean with the Tapo RV30 Plus Robot Vacuum.